Well, what do we have here?
It's a bit different to our coffees. Cheers.
Cheers. So
Yum.
Espresso Martini. Change it up a bit for you.
Well, it's still coffee.
Coffee's good anytime.
Keep watching to find out how we got here. How did we get here with espresso martinis?
Exactly, and living the life.
Cheers from O'Reilly's Rainforest Retreat.
Woohoo! You guys are in for a great day.
Uh-huh.
We've already had it, and now we're chilling back, drinking the espresso. But you've got to find out how we got here first.
These are my favourite. Do you want one?
What is it?
Lamington. Those are my favourite ones. But I've never even come across these ones before. Apricot and almond. Do you need to go with these?
No.
We'll just get these ones. Full Sigmatic. Lion's Mane coffee. It's got mushroom, like really good for you. You just add your hot water in your milk.
Do you want to try one?
We should get one.
Yeah.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
The coffee one. Thank you. Ready?
Ready?
Can we try some chocolate?
Yeah, let's road trip with some chocolate. So we've got these guys and we've never tried them before. Craig Davison and Pumpy Jackson. And I know Pumpy Jackson's been around for a while, but I think it's sort of a Melbourne chocolate.
You know, we love new products. I'll give you guys a bit of a taste test. Wow. God, look at that. Ready?
Excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. We need to get going though because check-in's at 2 o'clock
and
it's almost 2 o'clock and we're quite far away still.
To be honest, we've been too busy shopping.
Well, we want to make sure we have enough food for our stay.
We just like to eat good food.
True,
and
true.
Sometimes when you go away, like especially where we're going, I don't believe there's going to be much in the way of good food around. So here's to us being prepared.
Being prepared. Hey guys! We've actually just booked a spontaneous little trip away at O'Reilly's Rainforest Retreat. Literally, even the name is making me excited. O'Reilly's Rainforest Retreat. We're going to be in a rainforest for 2 nights. So we're in the car right now on the way to the retreat. And it's in the middle of the week, by the way. It's a Tuesday.
It's been such a nice drive. I feel like we're zenned out now because we've been through all the rainforest, been through all the farms.
Yep.
And now we're right opposite the O'Reilly's vineyard.
We kind of just pulled over on the side because we thought, oh my
So if you
gosh.
could see what we can see.
This place literally has their own wine, O'Reilly's wine. Also, this is going to be part 1.
Oh, yes. We're mixing it up this week. This is going to be a little series. I can't wait to take you on this adventure because who doesn't like rainforest and wine?
I know. So,
Watch out.
we'll see you at the Rainforest Retreat. Grab yourself a snack. Get ready for part 1.
See you soon.
See you soon. Like Game of Thrones. That's amazing. That's, oh, look at it.
Yeah, see? Wow.
Mountain View 64. So that's where we are now. If you drive back down, the first one on your left, nearby the blue airplane, you follow that road and you have the car park at the end. Okay? And then the room is right here. I will also give you a map of the national park. So it's all the tracks that we have around here, and there is a map on the inside as well.
Perfect. Thanks for that.
Oh.
This is cute.
So where's the bar?
Where's the bar? Look at that beautiful scenery just here. So we've just arrived.
Lovely lady gave us a map and we're room 64.
And I have the keys. Look.
The swipey cards. Oh, we're down here. See? 64. It's so warm. Oh my god, it's so warm. How beautiful. Look at that.
So welcome to our new abode.
We're so excited because we're staying in the mountains for the night. 2 nights.
2 nights. And we're going to give you a little room tour. It's a bit chilly outside, so it's nice to be in the warm.
It's so homey.
It's very cozy, isn't it?
Yes.
It's really clean. All right, room tour it is. Room tour 64.
The first thing you see is 2 beds. Come in.
I like the carpet. It's like nature. All right. We've got a cute little outdoor area here. Zena's parked just over there, so she's not far away. So this is Renee's little situation.
I've already got hair on there.
Oh, first
Coffee.
Impressions. It's so beautiful in here. Okay, so what do
We
we
got a
got?
little coffee table, and there, obviously, their little symbol is the little eagle there. You get Carud's bed.
There's mine that we've been jumping on over already.
Really, really nice artwork. Nice little coffee table to do your makeup.
No one needs to do makeup. We're on a little retreat.
You can put your clothes in.
Oh, it's the kitchen.
Little bar fridge. What have you got in here? Oh, we don't drink milk.
We don't drink milk. I like the tea towels.
O'Reilly's tea towel. Oh, is there peppermint tea?
I thought so.
Please do peppermint. Oh, yes.
We're
Oh my god.
Hey, that's our favourite coffee.
We
What
just
is
put
it?
this on our stories today. Oh, wine glasses. I actually bought my own martini glasses.
And
The
then
sun's coming
this
down.
is a gorgeous little situation.
I could see us in the morning drinking our coffee, looking out at that view. Like,
Oh, I know.
this is Livenberry. In the bathroom, quite cozy with the timber. How generous are they with their?
Oh, they're products.
You get big bottles of it.
And then you got the wash. I love how clean this place is. And you get all the towels, tissues.
And always appreciate this. I used to be a housekeeper. The little things that the housekeepers do.
Got 2 little timber chairs, which is cute. I feel very spoiled by this. Yeah. We're happy?
Let's get our stuff out of the car now.
Let's go get our stuff. When she's saying get the stuff out of the car, she's actually talking about the wine because the sun is about to set.
Absolutely. 2 nights. We're ready.
You guys. Hello. Renee.
So we've just set up a little platter. So we got some olives, organic olives. We have spinach hummus. And then we also got beetroot, some crackers, some avocado chips. Wait, avocado oil potato chips. And, can't forget, Dolmades. And some wine. Does anybody else like olives? I know like it's a very acquired flavour and not many people like it. Alright, I'm giving it a taste. It's quite good. I like that one. I feel so grateful. I get wine with the sunset.
Yes.
Amazing. It's coming. Oh, the crack of the
So
wine.
this is what one of the wines we've decided to choose.
Preservative free and it's organic.
It's certified organic.
Always look for this label.
It's the bud.
This
Really
tastes
nice.
really nice. Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's amazing. Cheers.
Thanks. Raw vine.
And the packaging's really pretty too.
Yeah.
Got like gold bits on it. As you can tell, we feel very relaxed.
I think that drive just coming here, and then if you could see what we're seeing right now.
Which you will because we're doing a time lapse.
It's very quiet and calming, so if you need somewhere to get away, I think here's a good start.
We're getting ice for some espresso martinis.
It's just us again. Can we have some more ice, please? Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Got the ice.
So far we've been here.
I just smelt the ice.
You smelt the ice?
By the way, ice has no smell. So, we're about to make espresso martinis, clearly. We have cocktail shaker. We brought all of this along with us, by the way. We even brought martini glasses, because what's a martini without one of these?
I know, and they're like travel size.
I know, they're so cute and so little. And all the espresso ingredients.
So before we left home, got some espresso shot.
Using Kerry's really cool coffee machine. Kahlua, need to get the vanilla vodka. Sugar syrup. And, oh, we just got some ice from the reception area.
I know.
Really happy about
Because
that.
you can't make these bad boys
Without the ice, it makes it
without the
frothy.
ice. And then we also put the ice.
Let's do it.
Woohoo, let's get started.
You know what's really cool? We didn't even show you that Kerry's also got her own shaker. Alright, first up, get the shot.
Get the shot.
Okay, the first thing I do is I put ice in it. Yeah, you need to put like a lot of ice in the bottom.
Okay, I'll get the ice. I'm just going to pop into the pantry. Won't be filming. I prepared this a bit earlier. This is our little tray of ice. We just like to throw the ice in there. Now that we've chilled these guys down. Now,
Next up, shots. We need 15 mils right there of Kahlua. Oh,
or 25. 25's fine. Nice.
espresso, 30 mils. Half a bottle of, no joke, 30 mils of vanilla vodka.
It smells so vanilla-y. It's so nice. Oh, whoops, that's all over my toe. Ooh, yes.
15 mils of sugar syrup.
The look of concentration on your face.
Now we shake.
Oh, this is the fun bit.
Make sure it's on. And now you need to shake vigorously.
Feet
But,
apart,
like, make sure
get the
it's-
stance, wiggle into it and go. My hand's getting cold. It's a bit awkward.
Okay, that'll work.
Okay. pretty.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well done.
Yum. Here, drink that.
You drink that. I just love how we've turned our room into a into a cocktail evening.
So you've come to the end of our video, and this is how we got the espresso martinis from the beginning.
And you actually haven't come to the end. This is the beginning.
Oh, true. Part one of the
yeah, girl.
series. Stay tuned till part 2 of the series.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe. Also, we have an Instagram. We always spill some cute little sneak peeks of our adventures.
We do.
Yeah,
And we always do little stories on the food that we love. And we love supporting good quality small businesses that do great things for the environment, great things for the wildlife. If you're one of them, tag us. Let us know who you are so we can check out your product.
Yeah, message us. We'll be so happy to give you guys a review and support your business.
We got a lot of great feedback about our unboxing.
We'll tag the video down below if you're interested.
Look, baby steps to getting you happy on, okay? It doesn't just
Baby
happen
steps,
overnight.
one video at a time. Isn't that what we say?
Oh, one video at a time.
I know,
Love
cheers.
her. Love you.
Love you guys so much.
And if you love us, do us a favour. Subscribe to our channel, wherever that little thing is. Where, I don't know.
Yeah, we like to put a little subscribe thing on it.
I think it's normally about here.
Yeah, in the middle. Cheers.
Cheers. Take care. Love you.
Love you guys.
See you soon.
Cheers.
Hi. Hi. Should we both say hi, guys, together?
Okay,
Yeah.
go.
Hey! We've
Let's
just
do it
booked-
again.
Okay. That was a bit much.
This is a bit much.
You shake it, baby, shake it. You shake it, baby, shake it. You shake it, baby, shake it.
The lighting is grainy. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
Yeah, the blinds need closing.
Is it better with
No,
the...
it doesn't need the lamp.
Whoop, there it is. You can see us. Look in the mirror.
There you go.
Oh, cheers.
You can tell this is our second.
We're out there. Good night.
Yeah.
Whoever invented espresso martinis, well done.